Hello, I'm Josh, and this is my app, Mover. This is the alpha build, so let's get started by creating an account. Account was created, as you can see, and such as that, we can also create a job. Pick this one since I know the password, and I can also show you a couple other things with it. Put in the test card. That's creating the job, and we can check the status. See that the status hasn't changed. Cancel the job. $5 fee with the card that they inputted. We'll hit no for now so we can keep it. And let's just head back over to here and we'll go into the stuff here. Now you can enter info here to get a email to send, and I've tested it a few times and it does send an email. You can check it for yourself. We log in. I'll quickly show you the home screen for the driver. So for right now, they can choose to be available or not available. Since he was selected, it will show that he's unavailable. This is placeholder graphs, but it allows me to circle through the different graphs that will be implemented after the review is put in for beta. These are just placeholders for now. And then to get that window to pop up, the user can check this every time he logs in, and if he needs to check to see if there is a job, he can manually do that. Right now, that's how I have it. I know in beta, I'm going to put a timer that will check every 5 minutes to see if a new job. The time's been kind of iffy for me, but for now, let's just go in and see. So you can see all of the information for the job that's important. See the person's name. I can update this to add more information, but for now this is bare bones of what I want. They can deny, which will instantly just remove them from this job, and if they go back to the request, then if the user wants to go back to the request, they can go. So we'll accept. This will take them over to Google Maps. Because I'm on a virtual device, it won't connect properly, but it does work because it is on Google systems, and I've tried it on my phone and it does work. So once they're done with this, they can finish the job. They're taken back here, and if he goes to look, there's no new job requests. This drawer does come out. I'm not sure how to put something here for the header text, but I'll figure that out in beta. For now, this is home, but it doesn't do anything. History, section not created, and then we go into log out. So let's go back to that driver, or the mover that we created. So they're still attached to it. I've tried it simultaneously and it does work, so all it is just a bunch of checks to the database. So when one thing happens, if they manually change it, again, this is all going to be put on timers in beta. So for right now, it's just manual. So we check the status, shows that it was approved. You can't cancel the job anymore, so we go to contact the driver. And because there's no more driver attached, I don't think this is working then. But I have checked it out, so when there is a so all I have left is to just finish the job and leaves the review, takes them back out here, and they can re-enter all this data. Then all I have left is to create a driver. So we have to go through all the normal stuff for user creation, so they have to first be a user before they can be a driver. All drivers are users, but not all users are drivers kind of situation. This is just all generic stuff that you can do. 888, 123, 1234. Yeah, so we enter all this. So finally, we get to the the background check. This doesn't do anything now, but what I plan on doing is once I get the background checks working, I have to manually change the driver to be approved, so that way they can show up to be chosen for jobs. So it comes up with a confirmation just in case. Logs in as a driver. And there we go. That's pretty much everything. Feel free to use 2 devices. I highly recommend using 2 devices just so the code doesn't get too muddled by hitting a bunch of back buttons or signing in as both a driver and a mover at the same time, or on one device, just in case. So thank you, and hopefully it doesn't break.